Hi viewers, welcome back to Life Tips TV, and here I will show you how you can add product on daraz.pk. So let's start and I write here daraz and I will go to this website, and if you are a seller you will go on sell on daraz, and here you will see the option of start selling and already a seller. Because I am already a seller, then I will click on login here, and here I will see my interface as a seller after sign in to daraz seller account. So here you can see the interface has been shown for daraz seller, and here I will see the different options: products, order reviews, promotions, store, and many more things. And if I want to add a product, and then I will click on products, and then I will simply go to add products, and I will add product here for which I want to get selling. So here I will simply write down the product name, that can be anything, for example water bottle, and here you will see the categories: sports, outdoor, accessories, water bottles. You have to click the category, and then after selecting the category water bottle, you will select the category, and here you will also mention the color and milliliter of water for bottle, and you will mention the title of your product here, and color you will mention also the color, and then you will submit it. Here you will also provide the different categories information about. You will also provide attributes of your product. You will provide weight, dimensions, and English description, short description, and variation information if you have a variety of products. So it is very simple way to add your products here, and you will give the short description here, and here you will give long description, and English description is same as above. Long description you can copy and paste here, and then you will mention the price and stock, color family, and SQ is automatically generated when you put any product here. So I will quickly review this process, and you will also give the service and delivery information, for example weight of your product and its length, width, and height, and you will also tell that whether it has any dangerous goods. You will click on none if it is not dangerous. So you have to all put information, basic information, detailed description, price and stock, services and delivery. So hope you have learned that how to add product in daraz seller account. So it's very easy, and you can learn it by doing practice. So keep watching. Don't forget to subscribe this channel. Thank you.